Small challenge for you guys today. I will show you the road crankset, MTB crankset, new, old, used, not used, at very old vintage crankset. We'll see how many repetitions or circles the crankset will make on different systems in terms of the bottom bracket. Let us know what's the score for your bike. SRAM SX DAB system, about 200 miles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo! Almost 5. Shimano Ultegra R8000, about 3,000 kilometers, something like 2,000 miles of the mileage, and we'll see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh. Doesn't stop. This is SRAM X7 with the BB30 bearings, the mileage, couple of thousands of kilometers or miles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's without the pedals, so less weight on the system. XTR 9100, about 150 kilometers, about 100 miles. 2.25. And now the bomber, the Diore LX new M563 1994 crankset, square tapered. Check this out. This is new. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. As you can see, a couple of circles would be a standard for most of the cranksets and the bottom brackets. The longer does not necessarily mean the better, because if the bearings are dry, they will also spin longer. So the more important factor will be how loud or how silent the bottom bracket is. Of course, the ceramic bearings would go for much longer, but they won't last as long as, for example, the XTR bottom bracket with very kind of dense grease, which is waterproof, and it's made for long distances in the mud and just in the overall general mountain biking. So that's the rule of thumb. So let us know, is your bottom bracket silent, loud, and what's the score in terms of the circles?